If your car's tire keep losing air and you don't have any punctures, then there could be a few reasons why your tire is deflating. If your car is a bit old, it's possible that your car's wheel is corroded and the air is coming out from the wheel. Then you need to find a specialized place that would do powder coating. Basically, it applies a new layer on the top of your old wheel and it would help to seal any holes on your wheel. It should cost around $60 per wheel. But before going ahead and doing the powder coating, make sure there is no other reason why your tire is losing air. For example, your tire could be losing air because valve stem of your tire is damaged, which is a very easy fix. All you got to do is to change your tire's valve stem. And finally, your tire could be leaking from the rim's seal. This could happen if the new tire is not fitted properly and the air comes from the edges of your tire where it is connected to the wheel. Please let me know in the comments what was the reason for your tire to leak. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.